switched to a new Spotify account, you don't have to re-like all your songs manually. In this video, I'll show you an easy way. Let's get started. First, open Playlist Go and sign in to both of your Spotify accounts. Use the left side for the account you're transferring from, and the right side for the account you're transferring to. Next, select Library Songs on the left. Then click Start Transfer and wait for Playlist Go to match your songs. Once the matching is complete, click Transfer, and Playlist Go will move your liked songs to your new account. That's it. Open your new Spotify account, and all your liked songs will be there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.